Hi, welcome back to Very Beautiful. Today I'm going to be doing a first impressions demo and a little bit of a review of the Jade Hair Straightening Brush from Irresistible Me. They sent this to me to try out and do a video and see if I like it for you guys. I wasn't paid for this, but they did send this free, so I want to be clear up front about that. And yeah, I've never used one of these hair straightening brushes before. I'm used to using a blow dryer and then flat ironing if I want my hair straight. And from what I gather, it seems like this is a replacement for the blow drying portion, which should be nice because this is a lot more lightweight than a blow dryer is, but we'll see how it works and, you know, if it delivers on all of its promises, if it works on my super curly hair. Here's what it looks like when it comes in the mail. It says Irresistible Me Jade Hair Straightening Ceramic Brush on the box, and then you just kind of open it up and it has a few facts about the brush here, like the temperature control, max temperature, auto shut off, fast heat up, anti-scald teeth, which is a big thing because I don't want to burn my scalp, and no hair damage, 360 cord, 8-foot, lightweight tool. So we're gonna see if all of this is true. This is what it looks like, and yes, I can attest it is pretty lightweight. And here are the teeth. It feels like these are similar to like a paddle brush plastic feel to them, and then this is where the ceramic is. So I'm guessing the ones on the outside are more so for not heating your hair but straightening it, and maybe the ones on the inside are for heating, but we'll see when we use it. So I've kind of run my fingers through my hair just to kind of separate it a little bit because matting is pretty normal when I don't put much of anything in my hair. And I'm gonna turn this on. So I'm gonna hold down this on button and then it lights up. It starts at 350 degrees. So let's increase that. Sorry, I have to look at it, to 450. So it's at 450. Let's just try with this little piece of hair in the front. My hair is completely dry. I read that in an instruction manual that it should be dry and you shouldn't have much of any product really on it. Even though I have the heat protectant, I think that's going to be okay. So let's see how this goes. Oh, oops, I'm like getting more hair than what I put through it. Okay, I think I need to probably detangle my hair before using this, because yeah, it seems like it does get stuck on the ends here. Definitely straightened it, it's just I feel like my hair probably should be detangled more. Either way, let's keep going, see how many swipes I need. Okay, this kind of looks like a blow dry straight, I would say. Okay, I know I look a little crazy, so I'm almost done with this half of my head, and I figured I'd come back to show you guys what I've kind of learned doing the rest of my hair. First of all, you definitely should detangle it beforehand. If you have really curly hair like mine, that's a lot of hair, just because it runs through it easier and gets it straighter. It does have basically like where you need to do it, kind of like when you're flat ironing, and you should do small pieces. Go slowly, and yeah, this is gonna pull the back just because I have it sectioned where half of my hair is. And I noticed it looks like I need to do it 2 times, one direct, like going downward. Okay, so this is twice downward, and then going under. So from here, just to make sure, because my hair is pretty thick, or the strands aren't thick, but because I have a lot of hair, just to make sure I'm getting everything, I like to go under here slowly as well. And then that also curves it under, because earlier I was saying trying to curl it under going in the other direction, and honestly, that just really wasn't working for me. When you try to do it the other way going under, but if you do it this way, then you can actually curl it under like effortlessly like this, and that looks a lot more natural for an end. Ugh, my hair is in my face. This looks a lot more natural for an end than to have it like dead straight, since it is kind of puffy. Okay, so I have half and half done at this point, and this is what the end result is. Very bouncy, fluffy, like a blow dry. This is the finished result, and basically I really like this for a replacement of blow drying, because blow drying to me is very exhausting because it hurts my wrist. I did take longer on this because I went slower so that I wouldn't have to keep going over the hair as much. I want to say it takes the same amount of time as blow drying now. I just think it's a lot easier on my hands. I'm gonna probably just flat iron it just to, you know, have a finished look that I could wear. But I think this is awesome, and I do like that this moves around a lot and that there's no noise, because my little baby is asleep right now. She's been messing with me this whole time. Let's show you her. June, get up. Here's June. Say hi, June. Hi. She doesn't need to straighten her hair because she's perfect. She's perfect as you are. And by the way, this does not work on animal hair, so please don't do that. Don't do that. They don't need their hair straightened. My review is that it's really good, helpful, preferred over blow drying, and that the only thing I would say is I have to get a little bit better at sectioning it out and seeing if there's a way that I can have my hair more detangled to begin with, without having to detangle it so much while it's dry, and that would cut down on the time that it would take to do it, as well as just, you know, getting through it slower and not being in such a rush. I think that's my biggest thing. But yeah, let me know what you thought of this review demo. Have you used a hair straightening brush before? Did you like it? What do you prefer? Irresistible Me was kind enough to actually give a discount code for you all if you are interested in getting the Jade Hair Straightening Brush here. So I'm gonna leave that down below so that you guys can use that discount code if you want to. Let me know what you want to see next in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and bye. I want you guys to see June. Look at her, she's asleep. Oh, isn't she cute? I got my hair in the way.